Look at the weather now with Louise, Lear, and some chilly weather heading our way by the looks of it.
There is a lot of weather to get in this forecast, Sophie, I tell you, and some of it quite severe. But for the here and now, it's pretty dull out there, actually. Quite literally a lot of cloud across the country. The best of the breaks have been out to the east, but there is a weather front and it's moving in. It's producing cloud and light, patchy drizzle. Nothing more than that, really. So quite a quiet afternoon for many of us, and actually relatively mild out there. Temperatures will peak at highs of around 8 to 11 degrees. But as we go through the latter stages of the day into overnight, that's when we start to see the severe weather. It arrives during the far northwest. We'll see gales or severe gales developing across Scotland, bringing some heavy rain for a time, and that will turn increasingly wintry, perhaps to higher ground through the night. Further south, we keep a lot of cloud. We keep outbreaks of drizzle here, but not quite as cold. But as we go into tomorrow, it's the wind that's going to be the real cause for concern. So we have got this travel warning out. Be prepared if you're driving high-sided vehicles. We're going to see gales or severe gales perhaps likely across Scotland. 65-mile-an-hour gusts of winds. We'll see frequent showers, and these will turn increasingly wintry at lower levels as we go through the day. There's a potential across the peaks and Pennines through the morning of 65, 70-mile-an-hour gusts here as well. But for much of England and Wales, it's relatively quiet. A few light showers across west-facing coast. It's going to be a windy start to the day, but all in all, not too bad. There will be some sunny spells coming through, but it stays windy to the north, and those showers turning increasingly wintry even at lower levels. So it's going to feel pretty cold here up into the far north, 3 or 4 degrees the high, maybe at around 6 or 7 further south. Blizzard conditions continue as we go through the night on Thursday, so there will be some accumulation starting to gather across lower levels across Scotland, maybe for Northern Ireland for a time as well. Relatively milder down to the southwest, and there's a front bringing some rain as we push into the southwest. Now, this could be quite interesting. As it moves into the southwest, we could see some rain, some of it quite heavy, particularly across channel-facing coast and across the M4 corridor. There is the potential for some snow to the higher ground, to the hills of Wales, through the Midlands and maybe to the home counties, but it's mostly rain south of that. It's going to be a windy day. It's going to be a cold day, particularly when you factor in the strength of the wind in Scotland, feeling more like -3, -4 degrees. That area of low pressure will move out of the way on Friday. Things a little quiet on Friday. It stays cold, and that means we could still have the risk of wintry showers. Sophie.
Louise, thank you. A reminder now of our